Hello everyone, welcome to Ace Academy's YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll be talking about the new recruitment opportunity which has been released by Center of Development of Telematics, which is under Telecom Technology Center of Government of India. Now over here, we can go to the career section and we can see the number of job postings. So on a single day itself, they have released a lot of job openings for you all. The positions are for Chief Product Officer. They are more for experienced candidates, and Chief Marketing Officer also, more for experienced candidates. Technician positions for some freshers, and Scientist B, C, D, E, and F for again some freshers, right? Some executive positions as well. You can go out and look out for the different advertisements which have been released. They all are released on the same day itself. That is 25th of March. They have released, at 9 in the morning. And the closing date of all the applications is 5th of May, right? So you got plenty of time for applying for these positions. You can still go and apply, right? And you can click on the apply now option for any of the positions. You can go and apply over here only itself. Let's see one by one. First, let's see for Scientist B, C, D, E, and F positions. Over here, they have mentioned the notification over here, the job domain which has been mentioned. So front-end developer, mobile app developer, back-end application developer, database expert, AI ML developer, full stack developer, application validation engineer, application support engineer, cloud network security professional, cloud-based technology support engineer, and cloud expert technologies as well. Right, all the positions will be in National Capital Region, that is Delhi. Right, total number of candidates 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15, 16. Total number of 16 positions have been released specifically for scientist positions. This is specifically for computer science domain students, right? And it's a wonderful opportunity for you all. Closing date of application, the last date of the submission of the application is 30 days after the publication of employment news, right? And relaxations will be there as per the government norms for all the categories. Selection process will be through 2-level interview. Management reserves the right to change or modify the selection process at any time during the process at its discretion. All government PSUs and autonomous employees are to submit their NOC, failing which not be allowed for the interview. Pay scale will be mentioned as per in the advertisement, and also depending upon the present scale of competency level and experience of the selected candidates. The qualification and experience prescribed in the minimum requirements also shall be mentioned. Right, qualification we can see over here. You should have whatever the opportunities are there. You all should have a degree from AICTE approved colleges, and your CGPA should be as per the norms. Where have they mentioned? So maybe it is in the adjacent notification. Yeah. So over here they have specifically mentioned, in the adjacent notification only, for all the scientist positions, they have mentioned what kind of experience and everything will be required and what kind of skills are required for the vacancy. So for, let's say, for example, front-end developer, mobile app developer, number of vacancies are 2. C. New Delhi will be your position. Qualification should be CSIT. 60% marks. Age 35 years is your maximum limit. Relaxation as per the government norm. General relaxation is 3 years for OBC and 5 years for SC/ST category. Right, and level will be 10, 11, 12, 7 pay commission. Experience is 0 to 4 years, so freshers are applicable over here. Roles and responsibilities have been mentioned. In a very extensive format, they have mentioned what kind of skills and roles and responsibilities are required. Many students do have them during their 4 years of college degree, and many students tend to acquire them during their experience as well. So as per your experience and everything, you can apply, right? Similarly, for other positions as well, for example, backend application developer, 0 to 4 years of professional experience is required. So again, freshers can apply, but you should have the required skills for the position. Then only you will be applicable over here. Other than that, database expert, 1 to 3 years of experience shall be post-qualification experience is required. BTech CSIT students can apply for this position, right? BTech CSIT students means what? That's students who have, completed their CSIT degree. They will be only applicable, not the computer science with AI, computer science with this, computer science with that, right? I guess they have not mentioned over here. Allied branches. AI ML developer, MTech students, BTech students in CSIT will be applicable. 60% is required in both of the degrees. 35 years is the age limit. 2 to 3 years of experience is required post qualification. Roles and responsibilities are mentioned, and also the skills which are required, they are also mentioned, right? Obviously, you should have all the required skills and which are to be acquired over the period of time. Full stack developer, also ME/MTech students will be applicable, 1 to 2 years of experience, right? So if you want to look out in detail the kind of skills which are required, go and check out this on the official website. Like simple as it is, right? Don't just navigate here and there. Just go to the official website. It is given over there very clearly, right? Otherwise, other positions are requiring more experience, 2 to 5 years as well. Let's see for technician positions over here. So technician positions, advertisement for recruitment of technician post is also mentioned. Level of post is technician. Pay scale, pay level is 4 years, 7th pay commission. 25,500 rupees to 81,100 rupees. Number of positions are 29. Place of posting will be Delhi and Bangalore. Students with BTech or 60% marks in diploma. In engineering technology with a minimum of 60% marks. So all will be applicable. The fields which are applicable are mechanical, information technology, electronics, electrical communication, electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, and electronics instrumentation. Age limit is 25 years because again, diploma students are applicable, that's why. The commencement is 26th of March. So today, as of the day I am recording this, it has commenced, and 30 days after the post of the employment news, the final date will be there. Written test plus skill test will be there. It will be communicated through the online website itself, right? Selection process, mode of selection will be through written test. Based upon that, there will be a final merit list which will be released, and you will be selected as per the other eligibility criteria as well, right? It's up to their discretion if they want to modify it or not. After that, written test details, 100 marks, 90 minutes, is required, and syllabus also they have mentioned. Let me just show you the syllabus as well. Yeah, so for mechanical engineering, mechanical stream, part 1 syllabus, part 2 syllabus, part 2 will be general aptitude. Electronics, part 1 syllabus has been mentioned, so clearly you can go. If you are a diploma student, do apply for this position, good one, right? It's a good organization, you can apply, and good exposure will be there. Other than that, all the documents which are required should be with you. Other than that, if you don't have the required documentations, you won't be able to apply for these positions. So other positions are also applicable. Let's go to the career option, and we can see for senior executive positions as well, right? Senior positions, only one position is there, travel desk. And apart from that, senior executive assistant, one position is there. So we can leave this. Number of positions are less in this, very, very less. So let's leave this, right? So focus more on scientist B, C, D, E, and F positions. And apart from that, technician positions. If you are applicable, then do apply for both of them, right? So thank you very much. Thank you for watching, right? And do subscribe to our channel. Do like this video and share it with your friends, so that for future updates, we are able to provide you the required information on time. Thank you very much.